Radhe Radhe friend, today is my day 7 of English learning and my topic is Gautam Buddha. When he was a child, he was a prince born as a prince and he was not a saint. Can we imagine that? He was live everything, his comfort, his life, his palace and his luxury, everything live for enlightenment and go for the his palace, leave the palace and go to the seeking of enlightenment. The father of Siddhartha wanted him to become a great leader, not a spiritual leader. So he made sure Siddhartha didn't face sadness, illness, and struggle. So he made everything for Siddhartha, and Siddhartha was even married and he had a son too, and his life was beautiful from outside, but deep inside something was missing and he was not happy about this. And when he see four things, his life completely changed and forever. Firstly, he see a old man struggling from his life. Second, he see a sick person who is suffering. And thirdly, he see a dead body who is silent. And fourth, see monk in peace. Siddhartha was understand that life was suffering and suffering is cause of desire. When we remove desire, life is beautiful and our suffering is ended. Then he decided to leave his palace and go for enlightenment, and he leave the palace family and his power and go for the enlightenment. He was searching enlightenment for many years, but he not find it. And then Siddhartha sit down in the Bodha tree and he decided that he was not going to move from here when he didn't find out the truth. And he passed days and nights. Then something is happened. He understood that enlightenment. When Siddhartha got that enlightenment, then he is known as Buddha and everyone calling him Buddha. He is in peace and Buddha was living very peace and happily and never got suffering. And Buddha teaching us we need to live not more comfort and not more suffering. We need to live in middle and we have to live peacefully and happily. If you want to improve your English, please connect with me and learn English together. Thank you.